Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. So our today's topic is how to set up Fiber GFEX310 Wi-Fi 6 Mesh Extender. If your Wi-Fi router provides wireless internet access for multiple devices like phones, laptops, and smart TV, then this Fiber GFEX310 extender setup is one of the best. The GFEX310 is a Fiber Wi-Fi 6 mesh extender designed to expand coverage and improve speed by working only with GFiber Wi-Fi 6/6E routers. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. Firstly, place the extender in the same room as your main router. Plug it into a wall power outlet. Turn it on if there is a power switch. Wait 2 to 3 minutes for the device to boot. The extender starts in pairing mode. The LED may blink indicating it is ready to connect. Now open the Fiber app sign in using your Fiber account. Ensure your phone is connected to your main Fiber Wi-Fi network. Tap Wi-Fi. Go to Devices. Tap Add Device or Add Extender. Choose Wi-Fi Extender/Mesh Extender. The app will begin searching for nearby GFEX310 extenders. The app will scan for new mesh extenders. Automatically detect your GFEX310. Show it as new extender found. If prompted, confirm the extender. Allow Bluetooth or location access, needed for pairing. The app will now securely pair the extender. Sync Wi-Fi name, SSID, and password. Add the extender to your mesh network. This process takes 2 to 5 minutes. Do not unplug the extender during pairing. Once pairing is complete, the app will recommend moving the extender. Place it halfway between your router and weak Wi-Fi area. Keep it not too close and not too far. Now setup is complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.